Our Future with Nature by Gracie and Daniel Lee. Coexisting with nature. Earth, the planet that billions of living organisms are continuing to thrive in, is in a shattered state. Some people do not realize is that their accomplishment are sometimes nature's defeat. Humans burned loads of fossil fuels each and every day, which eventually led to terrible air pollution, severe global warming. The environment is harmfully affected because of humans' poor decision. However, Mother Nature backfires with its threatful natural disasters like hurricanes, tsunamis, and tornadoes. Although nature can't stop these inevitable accidents, we humans can by following 4 simple solutions. Four ideas to coexist with nature. Our team believes that humans should be held accountable for all these man-caused hazards. There are 4 ways to start filling up the cracks that we have caused. Climate change prevention. The ongoing climate change is steadily becoming more and more serious in the background of the coronavirus outbreak. Efforts are necessary to ensure that climate change will not continue. Some examples are slowing down the rate of climate change by saving electricity, like turning off the light when not in use, turning off the TV, etc. Furthermore, obvious stuff like biking, walking, and running as a method of transportation helps to reduce the fuel emissions. If you have not already, an easy upgrade to energy-efficient items for your home can make a difference. Some common ones are LED light bulbs, efficient washing machines, and other electrical appliances. Recycling. Recycling is another easy everyday thing that we can do. Simple things such as recycling can go a long way if everyone does it. For example, recycling the paper that you used instead of throwing it in the garbage to recycle rigid plastic products or metal containers. Many people do not realize the huge effect that recycling would bring if everyone did it. Most likely everything would look a lot cleaner and the number of landfills would drastically decrease. Three, giving back to nature. Giving the things that we have taken from nature back is another important collective effort we can make to coexist peacefully with nature. This refers to replanting the trees that we have cut down in forest ecosystems, purifying water sources like rivers and lakes, reducing groundwater and land pollutions. The main message of this topic is that we should replace what we have taken from wildlife. Certain level of separation between humans and nature. No matter how many people disagree with the idea, our team believes that a certain level of separation between humans and animals would be beneficial for both species. Tim Benton mentions in one of his articles that there are bacteria called pathogens that exist in several different organisms. It's always looking for an opportunity to move from one host to another at frightful speed, much like this certain pandemic. Plus, there's also evidence that no human contact is actually better for wildlife. Near our house there is a large pond that is separated from human interaction by tall fences. This pond is separated for research based on pond life. One day as we were taking a walk to a local park, we spotted a coyote inside the fence. Just a glance I could tell that it was very healthy with no signs of injury or an illness. Although this is just a speculation, we believe that the organisms in the pond are thriving just as healthily as the coyotes. Sometimes even a few Canadian geese come by for a relaxing swim inside the safety of the fence. In conclusion, nature is our key to survival, while humans obviously isn't needed in most cases. However, sometimes wildlife requires human technology and care to bring themselves up. In order to coexist with one another, it's important that we all try to harmonize and understand each other's problems. Our team believes that if everyone makes an effort to accomplish these suggestions, our Earth would be in a much better condition than it is now. It's almost certain that the environment would gain a lot more positive effects from all these proposals. We hope that everyone wishes for a beautiful Earth to return to peace with nature, as people all around the world make our own individual efforts.